Hey everyone, let's talk everyday carry. So ThruNite is a flashlight company, obviously. We make a ton of different varieties of flashlights, long distance throwers, headlamps, and everyday carry. Now the popularity of everyday carry has increased substantially in the last couple of years. There are gobs of accounts on many different platforms showing off different kits and collections that people use on the regular. And so I'm gonna take this video to talk about my personal everyday carry, and then we're gonna dive into a lot of different everyday carry flashlights that we sell and give you guys some options and comparisons between which everyday carry flashlight may be the right for your everyday carry kit. So I'm personally at the very early stages of acquiring and kind of figuring out all of my everyday carry. This is just what I have right now and am carrying around when I go out, which isn't much lately due to So this is my wallet, super thin, basically a card holder. I can carry like 4 to 6 cards in it and cash. That's it. Very small. It's basically not a wallet. The next thing I usually always have with me is my earbuds. These are the OnePlus buds from OnePlus, obviously. Before those, I did have the AirPods until they died, and they fit very nicely in that small little pocket in my jeans. The third is my knife. This is a Spyderco Tenacious Lightweight. I bought it primarily to have with me when I'm backpacking. Now, I don't have a ton of experience with different knives. This is just what I have with me, and it works great. It's a solid and really well-crafted knife. Of course, I have my phone, and along with that, I have a Garmin Fenix. It came in handy a ton in the summer when I was running a lot. I could track all of my activities, and I think a lot of people consider this part of their everyday carry, so I thought I would include it as well. There you go. So now let's move on to flashlights. Now, I have carried several different flashlights over the last couple of months, but the one I've settled on the most is still the ThruNite T1. This is a great size light. It's not going to feel too bulky in your pocket. It can hit 1500 lumens on that turbo mode, 685 lumens on high, and it does have the infinity modes, super convenient, and this is one of the reasons I am still using it instead of the ThruNite W1 that doesn't have that feature, but is very similar in size. I like the design of the W1 more, and it comes in some really unique colors, but I'm still using the T1. Now let's talk about other everyday carry lights. So one of the biggest decisions you need to make when choosing an everyday carry flashlight to add to your pocket or your backpack or whatever is, of course, size. We do offer many different sizes of flashlights, from the TT20, which is on the larger end, all the way to keychain lights. Another one is, of course, what battery it runs on, 18650 battery, 18340, 18350. There may be some of you out there who don't want a rechargeable flashlight. The Archer series or a keychain light may be better for you. So instead of me just rambling on about these lights, let's use them. I'm just gonna take these, put them side by side, and hopefully give you guys an idea of what kind of light might work best for you. So first up, we have the ThruNite T2. It can hit 3700 lumens on turbo mode. It runs on a 21700 battery and is USB-C rechargeable. Its beam distance is also 518 feet. Next is the TT20, another USB-C rechargeable flashlight, again with a 21700 battery. Definitely has a hotter center, reaching over 800 feet. The Neutron 2C has infinity modes, which is really neat as well. Runs on an 18650 battery. The TC15 is also another 18650 light and a very popular kind. It's definitely a well-rounded beam with a solid center and quite a bit of flood as well. While the W1 does have less than half the output of the T1, it does have a much longer beam due to more candelas at the center, hitting over 550 feet. I have compared the W1 to the T1 before in a previous video. I'll link that here. Here is the BSS V4, another tactical style light, 18650 battery, and is very lightweight compared to other lights in this size. Here are the lights in turbo mode side by side. Hopefully that's helpful to see them all like this as well. We really tried to make lights that are powerful, but that don't break your wallet. So we have a ton of options. If you'd like to learn more about any of these lights you saw in this video, click on over to ThruNite.com. New website coming soon, we're really stoked about. I think that's about it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back in the next video.